Let's dive into division. Hey superstars, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 516 by 2. First up, we look at the digit 5. We're going to use the first digit, which is 5. Let's see how many times 2 fits into it. How many times does 2 go into 5? It goes in 2 times. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4, so we write 4 below the 5. Now we subtract 5 minus 4 equals 1. That's our remainder for this step. Awesome job, you're doing fantastic. We've got a remainder of 1. Now let's bring down the next digit. Look at that, we have a remainder of 1 and we bring down the next digit 1. Now we have 11. We're working with the number 11 now. Let's see how many times our divisor 2 fits into 11. How many times does 2 go into 11? It goes in 5 times. Let's check 5 times 2 is 10. We write 10 below the 11. Time to subtract 11 minus 10 equals 1. We have a remainder of 1 again. You're on a roll, keep up the great work. We have 1 left and there's 1 more digit to bring down. Let's get that last digit. We've got a remainder of 1 and we bring down the last digit 6. Now we have 16. Our number is 16. How many times does 2 fit into 16? Let's find out. 2 goes into 16 exactly 8 times. Let's check our work. 8 times 2 equals 16. Perfect. Subtracting 16 from 16 gives us 0. No remainder this time. Woohoo, you did it. That's the final step. And that's our answer. We've successfully divided 516 by 2. Great job, everyone. We found that 516 divided by 2 is 258. Great job, math explorers! We tackled long division step by step and found our answer. Remember, every division problem is a chance to build your amazing math skills. That's all for today. Keep practicing, keep shining, and check out more fun videos on Let's Stud.